Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure passive income with Weebly step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Weebly website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once signed in, click on create a new site. Choose a template that suits your niche or preference. Personalize your site's name in the site settings. Now, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Add a new page by clicking Add Page and select Standard Page. Title this page Passive Income Opportunities or something relevant. Make sure this page is set to visible in your site's navigation. Next, head to the Build section on the left sidebar. Drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons onto your page. Use text boxes to describe the passive income strategies you want to showcase. Incorporate images that reflect the content and maintain reader engagement. Now, add buttons linking to income-generating tools or affiliate programs. Make sure these links open in a new tab for ease of navigation. After building your content, preview your site to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your site live. Now, go to Settings in the left sidebar. Check the SEO settings and fill in the title and meta description. This improves your site's visibility on search engines. Next, set up a reliable payment method in the Commerce section. Choose an e-commerce option that aligns with your income model. Consider offering digital products or services related to passive income. Now, integrate social media accounts to expand your reach. Share posts regularly to drive traffic to your site. Monitor website analytics to track visitor behavior and adjust content accordingly. Lastly, continue to update and improve your site regularly to maximize passive income potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.